Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you how to put a refrigerator handle in crochet. At first measure the length and the width of your refrigerator handle so that it will be easier for you to make a handle. For this I am using blue yarn. Let us start with the chain and put 70 chains continuously. I'll come back to you after making 70 chains plus 3 for the next row. Now I have finished 70 plus 3 chains, 73 chains. So for the first row, skip 2 chains and in the third chain put a double crochet like this. And continuously for this first row we'll be putting double crochet in each chain for all the 70 chains. So we'll be getting 70 double crochet stitches after finishing the first row. I'll finish this first row and come back to you. Now I have finished all the 70 double crochet and it will look like this. And coming to the second row, make 3 chains and make a double crochet in the next chain, not in this front wool but insert in the back wool in the first chain and make a double crochet. And so in this same method we'll be putting double crochet in all the 70 stitches in the back wool of each chain like this. And I have finished the second row. Coming to the third row, make 3 chains and a double crochet in the next chain in the back wool of the chain like this. And continue double crochet in each chain in the back wool of the each chain, and so 70 double crochet in this third row also. And in the same method I have made 7 rows. It will look like this. 3 rows will be embossed 1, 2 and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4 rows will be beneath. Now let us cut it and finish the end. And now count 20 chains, and in the 21st chain let us start at the back side yarn and put 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and a double crochet in the back wool of the next chain, and again a double crochet in the back wool of the next chain. Like this we shall continue in the middle. So from the bottom count 20 chains and place a marker, and we shall put the extension crochet for stitching the velcro till this marker. I have finished the first row till the marker, and then turn and continue the next row. As usual, 3 chains and then a double crochet in the back wool of the next chain. We make 3 rows for stitching velcro on each side as extension. So we leave 20 stitches on both the sides, and in the middle we'll be putting 30 double crochet in 3 lines like this. I'll finish this and come back to you. See, now I have finished the 3 rows. Let us finish it. In the same method we shall put on the other side also extension for fixing velcro. Now I have finished the extension on both the sides, 3 rows with 30 stitches, leaving 20 stitches on top and bottom, and we should fix the velcro here to place it in the refrigerator handle. See, I have taken the velcro in black color, measure the extension length and cut the velcro. We shall fix this velcro with running stitches or back stitch. I have given the links for running stitch and back stitch in the description. I have fixed it with back stitch. It will be more protective than running stitch. By fixing this velcro, it will be easier for us to put it in the refrigerator handle. I have fixed the velcro on both the extensions like this. And now let us come to the top of the handle. It is long, so let us attach few more crochet stitches here. Attach and start with the chain and put single crochet continuously in this, one in the chain and one in the double crochet. There are 7 rows, and so we'll be putting 7 single crochet in the chains and 7 single crochet in the double crochets, and we'll be getting 14 single crochets at the end of this row. And in the next row we'll be skipping one on both the ends. So it will be 12 in the next row. Let us finish this row with single crochets and come to the next row. Slip one stitch, then make one chain and make a single crochet in the next chain, and again single crochets in all the chains continuously. 2 stitches on both the ends in each row. In this same method, after finishing this, it will look like this. I have extended 7 rows on top and finished it. And coming to the bottom, again we shall attach the wool and put one row of single crochet, make one chain and one single crochet in the double crochet and 1 single crochet in the chain and 1 double crochet. In the same method I have finished the first row. There will be 14 single crochet at the end. Turn the side and put 3 chains, 1 2 and 3 chains, and in the next chain make a single crochet and attach it, again 3 chains, and in the next chain make a single crochet and attach it. In this same method we will be putting 3 chains and joining in each chain, so at the end we will be getting 14 small extensions. I will finish this and come back to you. See, I have finished all the 14 extension, and now let us finish our project by taking the wool like this in few chains continuously. If you like this video, click the like button and share with your friends. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. I have shared the related links in the description. Thank you for watching.